In front of me is HUAWEI Mate Xs 2, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. First of all, you need to remember that to set up face unlock, you need to have screen lock already active. Mine is pattern. After setting up your screen lock, go into Devices Settings and scroll a tiny bit to hit Biometrics and Password. Now select Face Recognition under Fingerprint ID and enter your current login method to continue. Hit Get Started at the bottom. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When it's ready, select Done. Now manage all of those options however you want to, and when you're finished, go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!